All right, welcome back, welcome back. So I just want to make a quick reaction to this post that just made a few days ago, and that post is something that everybody needs to pay close attention to because there's something I told us few. I think that was about 3 days ago. I reminded us of something that took place months ago, which is how these people gathered themselves in WhatsApp group trying to dig out one or two things to report CS to FBI, and that chats that was leaked. You can see them discussing on how they should not go to her platform. When they say her, they were talking about CS. Don't go to her platform to comment. If you have ever commented something bad or anything at all on her profile before, go and remove it. So we share that secret, that leaked chat here on this platform, and many of you can remember. But if you can, this is what happened because they did not just start to, all of a sudden started looking for a way to arrest or sue CS. They have been searching for that for long now because they are too eager. They're quite eager to to expose themselves because they want everything to go the way they want. As long as the money they expect is not coming, everything is a suspect to them. So they have been working hard to lay hands on something to criminalize CS just to drag her to the mud. But guess what? Uche Madabu, Uche Chukwu. So let's go through this post that she has made. Then we can relate it to what happened in the past. But before then, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I would like to read your comment to know what you think about what we are going to discuss. Then let me make a quick response to one of our brother that felt bad about it, about my video last night, I believe. Yeah, last night when I published that video, or to some of you, it may be afternoon or evening. So, but the video is the video where we talked about the screenshot or the post from Royce, right? So when I said that our elders are not getting it right, they are making a lot of mistakes. They are the one that's supposed to do one or two things to fix things to encourage the youth. So somebody, just interpret the whole thing upside down by saying that the right thing that everybody, all the people that watch my platforms are young people, that we have elderly people here. So when I said that elderly people in that video, I was referring to the political elite or leaders, traditional rulers, Igwes and all that. That's what I want. That's what I was referring to when I said elders. So not any mature or elderly people from our land. That I was not saying that they are not sensible. No, I was referring to people who claim that the leaders, who claim that they have to, they command respect. They are the spokesperson. They are this, that. You understand what I'm talking about? Like those governors, irrespective of their age. So when I say elderly ones or elders, I was actually referring to them. So if you are one of those that misinterpret that my word, please, I'm sorry. I don't mean to talk down on anybody. I just want to make that clear. All right. So, like I was saying, these people have been looking for a way to do one or two things. So let's go through the post that she has made. She said, why Nigerian state hired Biafran IPOB members that they labeled a terrorist organization to testify against PM Simon Ekpa in Finland. Their counterparts, George Oha, which is this guy you are seeing here, and the Fallback Republic. I don't like. I don't want to call them briggy. They're not briggy. This Fallback Republic, they're in a different agenda. He said their members are fighting the USB cabinet members. See two pictures. Their cup is full. Now listen. When you pay attention to this one, this is the three people. I believe there could be more that went there to testify against PM. All right, look at them here. Their face or their picture was trending for days now, or has been trending for days now. Then after that, we have another group, another screenshot. So this is the second screenshot from COS. She said two pictures, right? We have seen the first one, which happened to be the trending pictures of the new age of saboteurs, those who have no shame. And this one you're seeing here, this is another faceless individual called George Oha, with George Oha 24223. Sorry, George Oha 34227. So this is his own handle on X. So he said, I want their professional license suspended and all arraigned in court. They're tagging FBI. Now listen, the picture that this guy is talking about Biafrans. Look at the picture here. This picture you're seeing here, I'm trying to get the picture very well. Yeah, here we go. This is a picture of Biafran cabinet members. This guy is calling for FBI to do what they couldn't do or what they actually wish their own fellow Biafran, if I thought they believe in Biafra, which I does. So he just want to call FBI to a kind of attack USB, cabinet members. This post reminds me of the activities of these people when they were looking for something to use against CS. They have been searching for something and they couldn't find anything all this while. And now they have waited and waited and waited to see if CS we use the word woto woto. We are going to how the activity or trying to push one of the activities of Biafra Liberation Army under USB, push it out on social media. Many people don't understand that reason why they keep on telling you, show us what, since read the declaration, tell us what your madam has been doing, what madam has done. The money they're donating to her, what is she using it for? These are people waiting with their two eyes widely open to see if there's any post of the activities of the Liberation Army. They will cut it and use that to connect it, to beg FBI to do the needful. Just like IPOB Nigerian did, with their, when they were submitting all the fake information against PM, signing petition and all that nonsense. They decided to do that on their own. Then Fallback Republic, and on the other hand, are doing the same thing, pushing and working hard to make sure they tag all manner of, um, bad stuffs like pictures, like videos and others to DPM, just to make sure that she look bad in eyes of the international committee. And they could, some of you don't even know that they have already made a request. They have knocked at the doors of FBI, and CS, have responded without waiting for FBI to start searching for her. And she cleared herself. They couldn't believe it. Then they waited and waited and waited again for them to surface again. Is now they want to tell you that she stole mandate. She stole the document of the Briggy. that Biafran database. Now, what they don't know is that this is the database we are talking about that she's stolen. She can also tell you that she did not steal anything, that Biafrans are with her. If you doubt, another self-referendum. And I made it clear yesterday that the USB government should try their best to bring out contact of the people, that lawyer, or anyone they want Biafran to bombard with messages. It's their duty to bring the handle or the email or phone number. That's the way to go. But this idea of waiting for somebody to start searching for it and send it, I don't think it's going to work like that. And Minister of Information or Secretary of Information in USB, you need to step up on this one, because this has to do with information minister or information secretary. These are something that you need. It is their duty to bring it out. It's their duty to do their best to share such information for Biafrans who may have the time to communicate or to write or to call to do just that because we got a chairman. So I decided to share this with us because they when we talked about when you said that they have been working hard to see if they can, link all manner of nonsensical things to Biafrans, you may not believe it. So this post will get a long way to justify that claim. Look at it here. I want their professional license suspended and all around in court. But the issue, like I said, is the if in case some of you may say, oh, he's a random person, he don't mean it. Now look at this. He attacked it to who? FBI. Now come down here. What did he do? He also attached the pictures of people that he was referring to. Yes, you can see the frustration because there's nothing anybody can tell me. This is all about, this is how they showcase their frustration and trying to be relevant, at detriment of genuine, sensible, hardworking Biafrans. So, my brothers and sisters, I would like to hear from you. What do you think? You can see the secret plan and how these guys are working sleepless nights to make sure that they gather information against COS. And now they don't have any information. They started making some kind of funny lawsuit. So please tell me what you think about it and God bless you. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Good morning.